Breathe inhale up. Chin. Breathe inhale up. Oh. Shupala, 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 shupala. Now let's mixture. Now this is there's one bridging between mind and body, so called, and this is none other than our breath, and it's the only way we can bridging with you and the beautiful in you. Okay. So, just by taking a very common sense that when you come in front, just because your body is so bended out, it expel all the air inside you, like normally it automatically goes out. When you go up by pulling, you automatically inhale with fulls as much as you can. Okay, like this. Now you have. Watch it. So these sort of things are very needed in this day to life, because this sort of thing doesn't need to go to college, doesn't need to take some degree, doesn't need to train from some very expert. It could learn from a very basic, very simple. Sometimes we are going to miss these sort of things, and that's the number one we are